feel like I'm much more attentive to my actions, my thinking, and my eating. And I plan to continue that going forward because I do feel so much better in myself from completing the program. I feel like I'm back on the path to being who I should be.
Right.
But yeah, with it, keeping in mind the balance as well, like you keep reminding me not to be so rigid, to have that flexibility, the 80-20.
Yes.
But that's my plan going forward.
Yeah, and that's great. I think that is important because when we find something like this, we can really hold on too tight sometimes. And it is important to let loose a little sometimes, so that it can be a lifestyle going forward rather than something just for a period of time.
Yeah, absolutely. Agreed.
Wonderful. And so is there anything else you want to share with us, Carolann, that I haven't covered or asked?
I think I just wanted to share that it's been a bit more than a lifestyle change. It's been a bit of a journey of self-discovery, which I know sounds a bit like a cliche, but I absolutely feel like it's true. I feel like when we understand ourselves, it brings acceptance, self-compassion, and self-love.